Hi, greetings, good morning dear friends, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, how are you today? If you're feeling tired or exhausted, you're going to love today's meditation. Hi, I'm Natahu Allen from Yoga Inspires in London, and we're doing this 100-day Breathe Calm meditation series to help you reduce stress and anxiety, particularly during this current phase of COVID-19. It's supposed to be live, but there's no Wi-Fi, so I'm recording it and I'll upload it later on. So if you are feeling anxious, one of the things it does, it actually drains your nervous system. And in addition to feeling anxious with the worrying thoughts, you actually feel flat, exhausted, tired and worn out. And then when you're in that cycle, not only is your mind feeling heavy, your body is tired, you've got no energy to do anything. And if you want to be present for your family, if you've got like a whole pile of work to do and you've got no energy, you're going to just love today's practice. It's an energizing breathing practice, and it's something you can do maybe not everywhere or anywhere, but you can definitely do it in the comfort and the privacy of your own home. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a sound, and it's not any old sound. We're going to make a sound of a lion roaring. Play along with me, play along. And if you think about a lion roaring, it's can be quite a scary sound. But because we're making that sound and it's coming from within you, it helps to activate the nervous system. It helps to energize the body. And believe it or not, by doing 3 rounds of this lion breath, as we call it in yoga, you will actually feel energized, you'll feel stimulated, your eyes will light up, you might even want to start dancing and singing. Maybe, maybe not, but at least you'll have more energy to get you through the next moment of your day. And as you get through the more moments of your day, eventually, with practice, with patience and perseverance, the anxious thoughts start to subside and you find that peace, which is what we're all looking for, that peace, quiet, serenity deep inside. Okay, so to do the lion roar, I invite you to find a comfortable position, one where you can sort of sit with a nice, comfortable, lengthened, long spine. You may even want to move your body side to side, a nice gentle side to side. And if you are feeling anxious, just even rocking your body side to side, that helps to soothe the nervous system. It's really nice. Think about when you're rocking a baby, it's a really nice, gentle movement. But we're going to bring it up a notch. We're actually going to start to energize the nervous system. So bring your body back to center. Bring your hands up into cactus arms. Now I invite you to play along. Open your mouth wide, stick out your tongue, and from your navel area, you're going to let out an almighty roar. And if you're a woman, sometimes you feel very self-conscious about expressing your voice, expressing who you are, taking space. By practicing the lion roar, it really helps you to connect with your voice, connect with your power, and you'll be surprised what comes out. So give it a go, really energize your body, sit up nice and tall, open your mouth wide, tongue out, let's breathe together, breathe in. How was that? Bit scary? Let's try it again. And if yours was a quiet mouse, that's okay. If yours was a lion, that's fine. Morning, Mum. All right, I'm just in my video. That's the live element. Okay. So take your take your time. Open your mouth wide. How does that feel? Good? It's kind of like Mum's in the video, so I've got to keep it in. Let's just do one more together. Sit up nice and tall. Open your mouth wide from your belly. And relax. Okay. Do you know what, dear friends? This could have all been live. Okay. So to roll with it. The whole idea is just to show up, be yourself, no matter what happens. Be yourself, find your voice, find the laughter, find your energy. And just by finding that energy, you'll decrease the stress and you'll find that peace that's buried deep inside. So, dear friends, I hope you feel energized. And I hope inside that energized feeling, you're also connected with that peace that's buried deep inside. Take care and look forward to seeing you to tomorrow's day 4 of our live, quote, quote, guided meditations for more calm, peace and happiness in these busy days, crazy busy days. Take care and I wish you well. Peace. Peace.